Hi, to add or remove widgets on your OnePlus Nord free, as a first step, just press and hold any free space on your home screen and here select new widgets. So now you can choose any type, any size and style of the widget. For example, let's add the contacts widget. We have two options. We can either add favorite contacts or individual contacts. Let's add the favorite one, and that is how it will look now. If you would like to remove widgets, just tap on the minus and select this option to remove it. And now tap the done button to confirm the changes. Let's do it one more time. Go in the widget, but for now let's select the time. We have many options for the time. For example, let's choose word clock. And that is how it will look. We can also drag it onto another page like that. And if you would like to save the changes, just tap the done button and here it is. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.